Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Reddit application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap Settings until you see dark mode. Then tap on the dark mode button. And this is how you can enable dark mode on Reddit. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.